Alright you guys, so I just received my GreenClick Extendable 6-pack LED pad lights. As you see, this is the packaging that it comes in. I already opened it, so this isn't exactly how it's going to come, but it comes very organized. It comes with a cool thank you letter from GreenClick, as well as the user guide, which I'm going to be utilizing to put it up. But it seems really straightforward. It seems like this is going to be really easy and convenient to pull up. As you see, I have my adapter that it comes with right here, and the 6 LED pad lights right here, all organized. Now you guys can see the cable that comes with the adapter. That power cable is 6.56 feet, and each cable on the pathway light is 3.28 feet. So if I'm doing my math right, I believe that's about 26.24 feet of cable that you can play with for these 6 lights. Now you also can, with this power adapter, put up to 24 lights. So if you like the 6 lights you get and you want to buy even more, this adapter can take up to 24 lights. So I want to see how the 6 lights look, and if I enjoy it, which I think I will, then I'm probably going to buy more so I can have 24 so it can go all around my outdoor lawn. Now the lights are about 4.8 watts, 12 volts, should really make your walkway outside look really well. And as you guys can see right here, these are the 6 lights that you will be receiving, as well as the adapter. And you get, again, a good thank you letter from GreenClick, which has the information on how to contact them. I've actually been in contact with GreenClick a bit for some other inquiries, and their customer service is A1, so definitely you know you're going to be at least at the worst getting great customer service from the GreenClick team. Now I just plugged one in to see how they look, and this looks beautiful. This is just one light, and this is during the daytime, but you can see how the lights look when it's plugged in, so I cannot wait to see how it looks at nighttime with all 6 lit up. Also want to show you the guide does offer some handy suggestions, such as they do recommend you clean a product at least once a year. And another thing that they suggest with the power adapter is if you do have a waterproof box, to put that inside the waterproof box. I actually already have one, so it works out for me. Now, this says that it can withstand rain, but if you want to be safe than sorry and have peace of mind, utilize a waterproof box for the plug if you have one. So I would even suggest just buying one if you're going to use outdoor lights anyway, because it's just a godsend and it's a peace of mind thing to have. So I'll be using my waterproof box to cover up my power adapter for my 6 pathway lights. Alright, I want to show you guys, I just hooked up each light to its concurrent light, so they all pretty much, it's very easy to hook one up to the next one. This one does not have one because it only comes with 6, but if you want to buy more, you can continue to hook it up. And it took me, guys, maybe all 5 minutes. Honestly, it took longer to get the protective wrapping off the light itself than it was actually to just hook each connector up to its concurrent light. So very easy, very convenient. Right guys, so we are outside. I have plugged in the lights, and as you can see, I haven't set them up yet, but all 6 are on and working fine. You can see right here the power adapter, and the cable again is about 6.5 feet. So it all depends on how your house is laid out and positioned and where you want to put your pathway lights at. But 6 feet for me is actually just enough for what I need to what I want to do. Now, with that said, it's still a bit of an eyesore. I don't want this exposed cable just hanging along my house, so I'll probably get some extra extension cords from my garage and just use that to plug in my power cable, so it's just easier to navigate and whatnot. And it works fine if you don't have any extra extension cords, but I would suggest if you do have one, or if it's cheap, you know, just go buy one and you can utilize it better for your display outside your house. And so it is daytime, but I have positioned the lights the way I want them to be in my pathway, and you can see for me it is perfect. Enough cable between each light to set it up where it is almost like a perfect fit for my walkway. I cannot wait to see how these things look at nighttime. If you guys can see, it looks amazing during right now, and I cannot wait to see how it looks at nighttime. It looks perfect. And it was so easy and convenient to set up. I'm not a handyman at all. Trust me, I am not a handyman, but this took me no more altogether, from unboxing the package to putting it all together, less than half an hour. Easily less than half an hour. And it comes with everything. It comes with the stakes, it comes with the adapter, it comes with everything. Like, it's really just a basic plug and play. So really simple for even the most novice handyman like myself. Again, this is how it looks during the daytime. And I'm definitely probably going to utilize and buy even more of the lights, because I want to get some on this side of my grass, and it's just going to be a really elegant and exquisite walkway for people to come and see, you know, these pathway lights. And it is now evening time, right before it gets dark, and this is how it's going to look when the sun is set. Like I said, really beautiful, really makes your house stand out. Nice little walkway for guests and homeowners to come to their house. So in about a few minutes, well, for you guys, in a few seconds, we'll see how it looks completely at nighttime. I also want to say, if you have like rocks, it will be even perfect for your house because you can easily cover up the exposed wire. Me, I have grass, so I'll probably just dig some dirt over it or put some grass on top of this, on top of the grass I have now. But if you have rocks, it will be easy to cover up. You can leave the wire out as well, but I'm sure most owners aren't going to want the wire being exposed like that. And finally, here are the lights at nighttime. I have no other lights on, and you can see how vibrant of a display it is and how it almost lights up my whole house with just those 6 lights right there. I can imagine how bright and beautiful it would be even more with more lights, but it looks great. It really gives the house a nice flare. It really makes the pathway to the door really, really beautiful. Almost like you're walking down a red carpet or something, you know, flashing lights everywhere. These lights don't flash, but you get what I'm saying. Like, it looks really cool, really well lit. I like it. I like it a lot, and I really, really am happy with the product. Here's how it looks all the way from my street, guys. Like I said, it gives up a vibrant, vibrant display, and it really, really makes your house stand out. Now, before I had these pathway lights from GreenClick, I also had some LED color changing lights from another company that I used to make my house look vibrant as well. So let's see how the LED color changing lights go along with the GreenClick's pathway walkway lights. Look at that. How cool does that look, man? So not only do I have the LED color changing lights that make my house look great from the exterior, but the pathway is now also lit up, and it's just like this beautiful. My house almost looks like a theme park now, guys. Honestly, like, look how great it looks. I love it. These lights really complement the LED lights, and it really just makes the house look that much more special. So I put the white LED color changing lights on to go with the GreenClick's pathway walkway lights, and this is how it looks when it's just an all white. You can see the GreenClick lights are a little bit more fluorescent, I guess, than the white lights provided by my LED color changing lights. And behind me right now are the GreenClick lights on by itself. The pathway lights looks amazing. My final review, guys, is that I really enjoy this product. I think it is everything as advertised, and my favorite thing about it, like I said earlier, is that I'm not a handyman, and this was extremely, extremely easy for me to put together, put up, plug and play. Those are my favorite type of products, and for what you're paying for compared to what you're getting, you're definitely getting your money's worth. You probably should be paying more money, to be honest, but I like it. We'll see over time how good it does with longevity and inclement weather and things like that. I'm going to follow the suggestions that they say as far as dealing with rain and everything like that, but I like it, guys. I think it's a great product. You can see from the video that it really displays a vibrant lighting, and it's just a great product. So it gets Jonathan Barnes' 2 thumbs of approval, even though you only see 1 right now. You should definitely, guys, if you're in the market for some pathway walkway lights, give GreenClick's LED pathway lights a try. I like it. I'm sure you will too.